Today, we will learn English with a quiet, playful, and very popular animal, the cat. Repeat after me, slowly and clearly. This is a cat. It is a small animal that many people keep as a pet. The word pet means an animal that lives with people in their home. Repeat, small animal. Keep as a pet. Cats have soft fur, sharp claws, and very good eyes for seeing in the dark. Fur is the soft hair on their body, and claws are the sharp nails on their paws. Repeat, soft fur, sharp claws, see in the dark. Cats are independent. They like to explore and move around on their own. The word independent means they don't always need help. Repeat, cats are independent. When a cat is happy and relaxed, it makes a gentle sound called purring. Purring is the soft vibrating sound you hear when you touch a happy cat. Repeat, happy and relaxed. Purring. Cats are curious. They love to watch, listen, and investigate new things. The word curious means they want to know more. Repeat, curious. Investigate new things. Now, let's take a life lesson from the cat. Cats are not the biggest or the strongest animals, but they are good at using what they have: good eyes, quiet steps, and a curious mind. They move slowly, watch carefully, and then act at the right moment. They don't waste energy on everything, only on what is important to them. In your English learning, you can be like a cat. Be curious. Listen to new sounds, new words, new expressions. Watch how native speakers say things. Move quietly but consistently. A little practice every day. You don't have to shout your progress. Just keep improving in silence, and one day, people will notice how far you have come. Repeat this line with me. I will be curious and keep practicing English quietly and confidently like a cat. Say it again, slowly. I will be curious and keep practicing English quietly and confidently like a cat. Now, it's your turn. Write in the comments, do you prefer cats or dogs? Why? Write one simple English sentence with the word cat. For example, my cat is small, curious, and likes to sleep in the sun. I will read your sentences, and your ideas can help choose the next animal for Animal English with One Lingo.